What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take off my toothbrush part that cleans my teeth. I actually already pre-cleaned my teeth because before I have ever whitened, I always like to brush my teeth just to remove any particles or anything that's in your mouth, just so that the teeth whitening will get into all the crevices and really whiten evenly. So you do get a little teeth whitening mouth guard. You want to slip that on, and how you actually turn on the teeth whitening button is you turn it on and you hold down on the little light button, and you'll know that it's in teeth whitening mode because these two lights have turned off. So I'm actually just going to leave that on like that for just now and show you what came with the teeth whitening kit. So you actually get a little card so you can kind of look in the mirror and see where your teeth are at, just to see if your teeth, you know, when your teeth have improved, where you're at down the road. And then it comes with 3 little whitening brushes, which is so easy. You just click it off and then you twist up the bottom, and then you're just going to easily slide this on the teeth. Super easy. And then you're going to sit this in and wait 10 minutes. So as you can see with the teeth whitening, 10 minutes and you're done. Quick and easy pen, really easy cleanup, and you can pretty much do anything while you're doing that in the 10 minutes. So you're getting the same whitening that you would in a dentist's office, and you're doing it at home with your toothbrush, just a different head. So I mean, you can't really get much easier than that.